No! Whoa! Hey!
So embarrassing.
You alright? That was quite the landing.
Who are you?
Sorry, you look so familiar. I'm Ratchet. I'm here to find, I think it was Gary's apprentice. I need to build a Dimensionator.
Oh dear. Well, there's little I can do seeing as my archives are walking away. How do I get back up there?
Oh, you're his apprentice. Maybe we can work together?
I do not make a great partner.
How about this? If things go badly, which they won't, we'll go our separate ways. No questions asked. Team?
Sure. Team. For now.
So, KT4761, do you have a nickname?
The monks call me sister.
That feels more like a title. Let's try some out. How about KT? I got it. Sunshine. Your nickname. 'Cause you're yellow?
I do not think so.
Kit? We'll keep working on it.